Welcome to Nigeria, man.
Welcome to Nigeria, Chris. Legend.
Make sure you take part. Hope is clear.
Oh, we welcome this people, Sha.
Hope is clear. Where is party? Welcome.
Easy,
Easy, no problem.
Don't be over serious, oh.
Ghana Jolo. Party! Party! Where you dey? Party after party. Where is Thomas after party? Bola.
No be you too crazy.
Afena! Oyo boy! Oyo boy! Opo! Where party? Party! Full shot Arsenal captain. Welcome, bro. Handsome man. Opo. Where's Party? Hey, Amate!
Big time, big time, big time.
Amate, that's Amate, bro. Welcome, bro. Welcome, bro. I forgot your name.
You know, this guy is the same
number one. Smile for the camera. Jordan!
With the hell on the phone.
With the hell on
the phone.
Why they frown now?
Don't be over serious, so your lose go still happen.
Party! Man of the moment. Party! You play in Madrid. See handsome player, bro. Welcome. Do you love the banana?
Carroton Team Skinner.
Welcome, number one. Number one.
Last time in Kumasi, we saw you sweating profusely. Are we going to have a repeat of that tomorrow?
You want what?
Yeah. That's a very funny question to start with. But he said he was sweating profusely. I will see that tomorrow. I don't know, and our time is very limited, so please try to have good questions because every other person will have proper questions. You know, this is nothing for the game. Or I'm a sweater. If I'm hot, I'm sweating. That's it. And maybe it will be tomorrow as well. Unless we score maybe 2-3 goals, then I'm cool.
Thank you for handling my trouble. That was serious. Thank you.
Coach, at 0-0, this tie is still up for grabs. So what is it you're going to do differently, if at all, to make sure you can win this game here in Nigeria?
After this, we're taking 2 questions for Gideon.
It's a good question, but if I will tell you this, then maybe, I don't know, it won't be a surprise for tomorrow. So I think we had some good things in the game. We had more ball possession and we played well, and but surely we have to improve. We have to improve on not allowing chances. There was one chance, big chance against us, so we tried to stop that, definitely. And then up front also we tried to create a little bit more, but I was in all satisfied, and surely we'll try to score tomorrow.
Question for Gideon. Question for Gideon. Question for Gideon, not now. Question for Gideon. Okay. Please walk this way, please. Thank you.
Muftar Nabila, Multimedia Group. Gideon, you and your colleagues showed much fighting spirit in the first leg. Every Ghanaian will be looking forward to seeing a similar thing tomorrow. Is there some sort of communication within the group, because qualifying to the World Cup will be history made?
Like you said, we had a fighting spirit in the first leg in Kumasi, and then obviously the game was still 0-0, so we won nothing until now. So we are here to push more and then to give more fighting spirit. So you should expect something more than we did in Kumasi. Thank you.
Last question for Gideon. Walk this way, please.
You're welcome to Nigeria. My name is Echekemos, Apostles Radio.
here you are in Nigeria, even though the first leg seemed to have a lot of taxing because the fans, everybody was so expectant to get the result. What would it be if Ghana does not qualify to the FIFA 2022 World Cup?
First of all, we are not talking about Ghana not qualifying. We are qualifying, obviously. So I think we will leave that question for after the game. Yeah.
Thank you, Gideon. Thank you. All right, so 3 more questions. We'll cancel the first question. All right, so 3 more questions now for Coach Otto. Okay, yes, Pius.
All right, good evening, Coach. My name is Pius. I work with Cool FM, Nigerian Farmers FM here in Abuja. You know, your attack, your forward players seem not to be scoring a lot of goals, and it was evident in the first game in Kumasi. Now, does that give you scare coming into this game? And also, you said during the presser in Kumasi that Nigeria are not the favorites. Are you saying your team is better than the Super Eagles?
So the first one was what again? Is our attackers can't score. Yeah, okay, then if you think so, we'll see tomorrow. I think we had some chances, some situation where the last pass was missing, and if we improve that, you will see us scoring. But nobody knows. And to be honest, I don't think we're better than Nigeria, but I don't think they are better than us. It was an equal game. I think everybody saw, and it will be very, very equal tomorrow. So I can't say that they are favorites, we are favorites, but what I can say is if we shoot 1 goal, it hurts more than if they shoot a goal.
My name is Ignis. I work with Radio Nigeria. Obviously, it appeared you were much under pressure in Ghana. Your first time out handling the team after the sacking of the former coach. Are you still under pressure? What is it like? What will it be like for you playing away from Ghana and coming to Nigeria? Will the pressure, do you think, will be on Nigeria or Ghana?
Okay, first of all, I have a different definition of pressure. Pressure for me is a privilege. To sit here in front of you as a coach from the Ghana national team is a privilege. It's not pressure for me. I was dreaming about this moment. I think 30 million Ghanaians would like to be here. So it's a privilege. It's not pressure. Pressure is when I have to think what I eat tomorrow. This is pressure. But this is no pressure. But surely you want to qualify. And I just told the girl, go out and have fun. Have fun. If you make mistakes, I will take it on me. We will try to play football, surely. And we try to score, we try to win. We do our best. And what I was very surprised of, that at least the Ghanaian press really, really acknowledged that we tried to play football. Even though we didn't win, everybody saw that we played better than before. And they acknowledged that, and I really, really much appreciate that. But like Gideon said, we haven't won anything. So, but this is football. Sometimes you play good, you lose. Sometimes you play bad, but you can win. Everybody likes football because of that. So, to get back to you, it's a privilege to be here. It's a privilege to have the chance to go to the World Cup, and we will do everything we can to qualify.
Last question.
Thank you very much. I'm Sadiq Adams from Angela Family, Ghana. Coach, you're one of your most experienced players, Jordan Ayew, had some unfortunate incidents in Kumasi despite playing well. I think there was an issue there. Have you spoken to him? How does he feel going into the game here? The fact that he was good at home despite playing well, how does he feel?
The first thing is the rules were for me, I think, because I decide who play and who don't play, who doesn't play. So it's my choice. It's not Jordan's choice to come off the pitch or stay on the pitch or to play or not. It's mine. So if anybody wants to say something, he can say it to me. I don't have a problem with that. And I know especially in Africa, people always see a lot of, they acknowledge more offensive action. But if you see what Jordan did in the first time, especially defensively, covering spaces, recovering, running for others defensively, not letting anybody through, even holding the ball, not losing the ball, this is much worth, and he's a leader. He's a leader of our team. He's the only person in this team who has been to the World Cup before. So we really, really need him, his experience, which is given to the young players. He's helping a lot of players on the pitch, off the pitch. So football is so complex. It's not just about scoring goals. It's also about making assists. It's also about leading. It's also about, working defensively. It's so complex, and Jordan is very, very important for this squad.
Thank you, coach, and good luck.